Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a Nadine West unbagging. I am really happy that you have joined me today, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, I sure hope that you will subscribe and join me for more videos. My videos are about women's clothing. I sure hope that you will come back and watch more videos. So yeah, my hot pink package is here. And Nadine West is a style subscription service. This is the most affordable style service that I currently use. There is a charge when you get a Nadine West bag, and that is $9.78. They call it a shipping charge, but you can apply that towards anything that you keep in this bag, and normally everything in this bag should be very, very affordable. They always send me jewelry and some fun, quirky pieces. So let's tear into this and see what's in this bag. I always try to open this very carefully because I will use this pink envelope to return anything that I don't want to keep. Nadine West has enclosed a mailing label that I will just slap right on this bag and send back anything that I don't want. This is what the inside of the bag looks like. Okay, we have a couple bundles in here. Bundle number one. That's looking so dark. I really want fun springtime colors. Ooh, okay. Bundle number two looks more promising. The yellow looks promising, right? Hey, if you need more information about Nadine West and how to get a Nadine West bag for yourself, I've left everything that you need to know in the description bar below. Let's break into these bundles. Bundle number one, the dark bundle. Score! Look at all of this. I have 3 jewelry pieces, and this feels like glasses. Okay, let's start with the first navy blue. I think this is a dress. Oh my goodness, look at this. Can you guys see all that fringe? Let me see. It looks like it might be a little short. There's a short sleeve and a crew neck. This is a pop over with a very fun fringy bottom. Now, where would I wear a dress like this? I could wear this dress to a pool party. I could wear this over my bathing suit at the lake. This just looks like fun. You know it's gonna have fabulous movement. I really hope this one fits. This is a very soft fabric. This is by Heart and Hips. This is a brand that I have received from Nadine West before, and I like as well. This is the first pair of glasses I've ever received from Nadine West. Look at the little llama pouch. That's cute. And let's see. I love these. I love the round lenses. You guys know, if you watched my outfit diary when I got all my new glasses, I did get some of these funky round frames. Oh yeah. Do I look like Hollywood? I don't know. I think they are adorable. I sure hope they are affordable. I love them. All right, next up we have, it looks like a bracelet to me. Okay, this is a bracelet, and this is like a faux leather, and then we have these gold pieces, and those are very, very lightweight. Let's see what the clasp is like. Oh, it's magnetic. I love it. I love it. I was thinking I'm going to need my husband's help with this, but nope, I could do this all by myself. Very, very cool. I like it. Okay, next up we have these earrings, and this is what the earrings look like. And they're kind of a bronze color. They're very lightweight. We have this black stone there, and then these like almost like feather looking jingle jangles hanging down, and they do kind of make a little bit of noise. I like the color on these. These are unlike anything that I have with that black stone and the bronze. Yeah, I'm liking these right off the bat. Okay, the next piece is a necklace, and this is a very dainty layering necklace. So we have that one disc with the crystals in it. Can you see that? And this disc that is just plain, And I'm having a hard time showing this. I will try it on for you. This might be the prettiest necklace I have received from Nadine West. I love that it is so dainty and delicate. The moment I pulled this out of the little pink pouch, I thought this is going to pair beautifully with my brand new druzy ring. That's in a rose gold, and this is a true gold, but I still think it's going to look great together. Okay, bundle number 2, the fun colors. Okay, on the top we have a floral, and this is what the floral looks like. This is very sheer. This is kind of a cream color with some violet and coral flowers, and then the green, the greenery, the leaves. This is very sheer. It does have a keyhole back, but there's no closure, no button on that. And we do have a bit of a tulip sleeve, and it looks to be a cap sleeve. This is one that I will have to wear a cami because it is very thin, and this one is Miley and Molly. I am really enjoying the Miley and Molly brand. What is this? I love these colors. This feels like a t-shirt. Let's see. This is so bright and vibrant. This is a t-shirt. I am so glad that this isn't a pair of pants. Guys, look at this. Oh, I like this. I like the color. And this is by DNA Couture. Oh, we have ruffles. Oh, okay. Let's just cross our fingers that those ruffles look good on me. This looks like a split neck blouse. Yes, it is. And it has Henley style. There's some buttons there, but it also looks, no, it's a open front, split neck. We do have a short sleeve with another little ruffle on it. This looks like it's a little bit slim through the body. So I hope it fits all right and doesn't show off all my love handles, but I am so drawn to this bright, vivid yellow. Look at those flowers. This is kind of a pretty one, isn't it? Okay, this one feels like a dress. No, it is not. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is pants. Pants. I don't know. I really don't know what to think about this. Okay, this is a knit fabric. It feels a little bit silky. I can see that we have pockets there. So we have horizontal stripes and we have vertical stripes and a wide leg there. Who is this by? This is by Hippie Chick. This is another brand I am really enjoying from Nadine West. Oh no, I don't know how these are gonna fit on me. I checked on these. They are a size large, so they might fit. And if they do fit, I will probably wear these. I think these might look cute with a t-shirt. This is kind of a burgundy color, and it does have some navy and some white in it. So I'm really enjoying navy right now, and I really want some wide leg pants. So cross your fingers that these are keepers. Let's see how they look. Everything has been tried on. This is a wonderful package for me. I like a lot of pieces in this bag. Let me share them with you. I'm going to start with the jewelry because I don't even want to take it off. It really doesn't match the blouse I'm wearing today. I may change the blouse. Let's start with the sunglasses. When I saw the shape of the sunglasses, I really liked the sunglasses immediately after taking it out of the bag. Let's talk about this little soft case with the llamas on it. This looks a little bit fun and young for me, so I will probably hand this over to one of my nieces because I prefer a hard case for my glasses. So these glasses are $12.99, and I am all about that. My husband is always trying to buy me a pair of designer sunglasses, but I lose them so frequently that I just can't do it. It makes me sick to lose an expensive pair of sunglasses. But let me tell you why I like these. See this nose guard here? It's plastic. And I love that because when I put my glasses on top of my head, which I often do, they don't tangle in my hair. I'm not yanking my hair out just by wearing sunglasses. These are all plastic. I just think they're cute. The price is right, and my hair is sticking up. I'll definitely wear these. Let's cross our fingers that I don't lose these rapidly. Next, we'll talk about the bracelet. And guys, don't mind all the marks on my hands. I have puppies that always want to play with me, and I bruise really easily. That's all that is. I love this bracelet. That's why I didn't take it off to talk about it. This is called the Cable Fable. It's $16.99. I love that it's that easy to take off and on. I don't need my husband's help. Did you see how quickly I did that? I love this. This is a great color for me in that burgundy color. I'm gonna wear this so much. I'm really excited. I always say this could be my favorite piece, but this truly might be my favorite piece of jewelry from Nadine West. This is perfect for me. $16.99. Next is the necklace, which I haven't taken off because I'm going to buy this necklace. And it doesn't work with this busy shirt and this neckline that I'm wearing right now, but I love how delicate it is. And I really enjoy layering necklaces that are already layered for me. The name of this necklace is the Icon, and it's in gold tones. I think it's a beautiful necklace for everyday wear and will look fabulous with a V-neck. You're kind of missing the bottom part of the layering with this busy blouse, but I like this one. $14.99. That's a great price for this necklace in my world. Okay, guys, next up are these earrings. These earrings are called the Retro Leaf. They are $11.99. I love the color. I like this more bronze color. I like there's a slight jingle to them. This black stone, I think, will pair very nicely with a lot of my outfits. Now, I am challenged right now on what earrings to wear with this new shorter hairstyle that I am doing my best to learn how to style, guys. Thank you so much for your kind comments as I am learning how to do short hair. But I feel like with shorter hair, I have to pay more attention to the earrings that I wear, and these look really big for my shorter hair. Please let me know what you think about this size earring for me, because I think I want to keep them. I'm not sure. I'm just not sure. They're only $11.99. The price is right. I kind of like that little jingle in my ear as well. It's very, very slight, but it's a lot of fun. Let's talk about the clothing. The first top is called the Mariah top, this bright yellow top. You know I want to add this one to my collection. It's $19.99. I did feel like the top was big enough for me. I was a little bit concerned that it might be too tight. I don't know about the ruffles on the front. That's the only thing. But because it is done so slightly, I think it might work. And what did you think about these ruffled sleeves? This one's only $20, $19.99 for this very bright, fun, trendy yellow blouse. Should I keep it? Next up is the Miley and Molly, the floral top, and this one is the most expensive piece in this entire bag at $22.49. And I like it. I wish I could have put a coral tank underneath, but my coral tank is in the wash because this is very thin. I would have to wear it with something underneath it. I felt like it was a good fit. This is a polyester blouse. What did you think about the tulip sleeves? Cap sleeves are not my favorite, but this has such a nice springtime vibe. I'm leaning towards keeping it at only $22.99. And the navy dress. Okay, the navy dress makes me want to dance because that fringe is fun. This one is only $12.99, and I feel like this would be a bathing suit cover-up and no more for me. I wouldn't ever wear this anywhere else but something to do with a pool or a beach or a lake. $12.99, and that seems like a small price to pay for such a fun top. I did try this on with two tank tops underneath, so that's what the line is around my bottom. That was not the dress, but I guess there might be a line around my bottom if I was wearing a bathing suit under this. I kind of like this one, but I will be curious to hear what you think about this. I had a summer dress similar to this a few years ago, maybe 10 years ago, with that fringe detail on the bottom, and I really did enjoy wearing it. I felt like it went out of style. And that's why I donated my last one. Am I kidding myself to buy another one like that? I enjoyed it before. Will I enjoy it again? I can't wait to hear your thoughts on this navy dress at only $12.99. Okay, the pants. These are the Hippie Chick Selma pants. These are $22.99. They scared me when I unboxed them. And when I put them on, I love them. I really like the way they feel. That is one thing about Nadine West. They do send the softest yet funky bottoms. I am leaning towards keeping these. I shared these with my husband. I modeled them for my husband and I said, what do you think? He was silent. And then he said, that 70s show. And I didn't wear anything like this in the 70s, but I think I need to wear these pants in 2019. Please let me know your thoughts on these pants. I would probably just wear these pants. Actually, I'm thinking about wearing these pants today to go get my manicure and pedicure. Isn't this perfect for a pedicure? Pedicure pants! I think that's what I need these for. That's everything in my Nadine West bag, and honestly, I think I like everything. That's what it sounds like, doesn't it? I could sure use your help in deciding what to keep out of this bag. Is there anything that you think I need to return? I might be keeping the entire bag. I believe that Nadine West is really stepping up their game. I have been very good lately about leaving feedback about the pieces that I like and pieces that just don't work for me. And I think it's paying off. I feel like I am getting better bags with each shipment. If you haven't tried Nadine West yet, please check out the description bar below if you want to try it. All the information is there. Could I get you to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it? Please make sure you're subscribed. Come back for more videos. I'll have them coming at you very, very soon. Blessings to you.